If you try to explain training camp today to the young players, they probably wouldn't identify with this at all. I mean, here's what I thought Chuck Noll was so great at. He was great at preparing the player for the fire, before the fire hit. And he was a great evaluator if you could handle the fire. It was my second year, or just led the team in rushing and receiving. It was maybe my third year, and I had trained so hard. I was like, I'm gonna be better. And we were warming up in the afternoon practice, and we're throwing go routes, just warming up. And I was standing in line, getting ready to go. And he's just standing over here, like 5 feet from me, and he's not even talking to me. He's actually looking up at the fans, and he's talking to himself. And he's like, man, the media kept asking me, is Merrill just gonna be a flash in the pan? And I sure didn't think so, but they might be right. I'd always remembered what he said, but that was his way of challenging me at that time, not letting me be complacent.